today we ain't messing around. This engine and that man will be in this car tonight. Got a couple of hours to play. Just gonna send it, baby. Gearbox, clutch, everything on. Then send it in the coupe. Active. So the engine's off. Gearbox is here. Let's get in the clutch ready. Let's get everything nice, clean down. Flywheel, bolts, torque everything up, Loctite, put it together. Happy days. Just gonna hand tight all of the flywheel bolts first, and then we're gonna go 30, 50, and 103 newtons. So we're gonna start off 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Sabil. So yeah, this is the greatest guy in all of Birmingham. Sabil came here on his bike because I got a bit stuck. Guy came and helped me out in a jiffy. I was a bit stuck getting the engine out. Sent him 14 emails, 38 missed calls, and a carrier pigeon. And he came. So our pilot bearing is in. Just hammer the living Ninas off of that with a socket. Oh, we fought to get the crank bolt torqued up. All our flywheel bolts are torqued now. Clutch is gonna go on, and Sabil's gonna go home hungry because we ain't feeding him. You know, I owe him a steak. I'll buy you a Joey's. How about that?
I'm going to Joey's tomorrow, you know.
Oh, bro, what a waste, man. No invite. It's coming together. Let's get it. I don't even get to work on my own car sometimes. I do all the hard work, and Sabil comes along, does the easy work. Twin plate clutch. From Competition Clutch, baby.
You like twin plate.
You don't like twin plates?
You like twin plate.
You getting a twin plate? But only 26 newtons.
There.
Yeah. Alright. Push brake bolts all torqued up. Oh yes. She's aligned. Jam, you got a present for us?
Not for you, you gave me a present?
Oh. But yeah, he's come all the way from Fast Town. You know, Allen Rock versus Sandwell, Count Quint. Nah, bro. Ask Sabil what happened.
Did
He went sideways.
It's alright, it
Yeah.
happens. We're amateurs still.
We are amateurs. Once upon a time, you doing this, innit, Jam?
Yeah. All the right tools, no idea.
Well, get out of here, man. You know, this is how you chase mans out the ends.
See you later.
Yeah, get out of here.
One you rock mans, bro. Ah, you're backwards. Won't help your boy, bro, before he drops the engine. See, guy? Any scrap metal?
Loads. Save, Jam.
Any scrap metal?
Scrap.
I see you later, boy.
Save, Jam. Yeehaw, mechanic strike again. Got enough ratchet straps? Yeah, we'll be alright. Let's get it in.
We'll have to try it over the car.
But will that even clear it? So you're telling me we're gonna have to do your thing? We're gonna have to roll the car out?
No, it might clear it if he...
So engine is up in the air, to be dropped in. Look at the rake on the car. And there we have it. The engine is in. Finally, it took absolutely ages. I would not recommend these eBay mounts. I would not recommend putting an engine in from the top. Not good. But look at it. Looks so good. The weather wasn't in my favour. We made it, man. We made it. Bolts ain't fully tightened. Hopefully, this will be ready for April 26th, baby. We are going to be installing the wiring for the engine. So we got our K20 EP3 harness here. Kind of tidy up a little bit. Nothing too major. Just gonna send it completely onto here. Don't really know what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. Can't be that hard. First time ever setting it all up, so just gonna start off maybe with the injectors and the coil packs and go from there. First things first, let's remove this coil pack cover. Okay, so we know the side with the grommet gonna be going through our firewall, so I'm just gonna leave that down there for now. Gonna go ahead and say these are our injector plugs, so which means these would be our coil pack plugs. Doesn't sit very nice, but it is what it is. I have to trim some of this plastic. Try not to cut any wires, Saj. All of this exposed for now, but it will get fabric taped up in the near future. Sit in there like so. Can you just press that down? There we go. There we are. So you just fixed all of that, buddy, haven't you? Okay, one Meownick. Doing a Mazza. Excuse me, buddy, can you fix it, please? So up it needs fixing. Something's definitely wrong, he's thinking. Good boy. Okay, now behind here we have a thing. So a 2-pin VTEC. Got a pin that goes to a VTEC solenoid. One that connects to our VTC on the front of the engine. Go like so. crank sensor all the way down the bottom. Crank position sensor plugged in. Well, pressure switch in like so. Let's do our injectors. So with our pigtails, will they fit? 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks ugly AF. So we got our 2 cam position sensors. Our gearbox plugs. This one goes around the back like so. Got one around the front like so. Okay, so that little one goes up there. So what we need, so we got a redundant plug because we got a 5-speed box. Shout out to Monster for helping me there. We got these two which go to the map sensor and the TPS. Don't want to mix them up because we've plugged in our charge harness. Alternator's hooked up. Just gotta hook the round pin on. Gotta connect up the starter motor. Just connecting the starter motor up now. So we've got a nut and washer. Can't find a flange nut. Hopefully this will do. I'm gonna send this over the back of the ring terminal for the alternator. Alternator like completely connected and out of the way. Mr. BMT is coming clutch. We're going to be wiring this plug to our boost solenoid. And we're just going to cable tie some shit out of the way. So then moving on. Obviously our battery is going to be going to the boot. So we won't need that terminal. We'll just think of a way to send it to the back. Got to connect our 2 charge wire harnesses to the fuse box. So I've already trimmed them down a bit. Put a new hole in them. Now I'm just going to take the sheathing back a bit. Should be a white one or a black one. Black one goes closer to the front of the car. Okay then. White goes back there. Black goes just there. 8mm. It's not looking too bad, that. Next up, let's get our plugs through the firewall, baby. I'm going to go through the same grommet that the fuse box goes in. Just send it, man. Now let's see if we can feel them from the firewall side. Okay, so once you can feel it through the other side, literally just feed it through. How difficult was it? Just that difficult. Few scuffs. Couple of scratches, we'll live. The wiring loom is through. Not really liking how it's routed up to there. So what am I going to do about it? Loads of extra length. It's not great either, you know. Really want to get this rerouted now. Not liking this. This is an absolute rat's nest. So I got a little tip for you guys to differentiate between your TPS and your map sensor. Your TPS will have the red wire in the middle. And your map sensor will be green. Be majority green with a slight thin red stripe. More you know, huh? So before we tidy up them cables, just going to put in our nice new slave cylinder, just so we can route everything nicely, you know. It's 2 12mm in, tighten them up. Big up Biggie for supplying this Blocks Racing clutch master cylinder with a braided line as well. Big up. Soon back from PK, baby. What? That line is short. Biggie, I take all of that back. Shit don't fit. My line's too short. We're just going to connect the clutch master cylinder anyway. Biggie, your days are numbered. Made quite a lot of progress off camera. Just decided to just smash it out. I wasn't feeling too good. So I was like, you know what, some therapy. Let's get the stuff done. So I've got the throttle cable mounted finally. And as you can see, we now have a clutch master cylinder and a slave cylinder. Biggie, you're my new line. So I'm going to run the line straight to there. It'll be good. Also, look at this bad boy. Look at that. Our twin pass intercooler has been mounted as well. Look at my setup. Couple of nuts. Nut here, nut there. Chopped out the bulge. Maybe should have left it. Oh well. That one's flush. One nut there. Riv nutted it all. You know me. No shortcuts. Do shit properly, baby. Inside the car. The seat's gone. Mainly because I was upside down under here. As you can see, 3 pedals, baby. With an auto gear stick. Do you think this works? Oh yeah. Beautiful. Marvellous. We're getting there slowly but surely. Okay, next on the agenda. Not liking the way this is routed. Might rub ever so slightly. So we'll give that another go. Need to tidy everything up here. Getting close, man. We're getting close. I imagine just come straight through there. Up through there. To our turbo. And from our manifold down into our intercooler. It's looking Gucci, baby. Need to swap out this bob fitting for a 90 degree. Gonna come straight to the booster. Yo, who's this? I'm getting rolled up on. Is it a friendly? Or is it an op? Oh, it's an op. Hello, buddy. There's done one. Anti-smash device. Still smashing it, but it's alright. To do a lot of modifications to the bumper. Again, we'll show you all of that later. But for now, if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Drop a little comment down below if I've missed anything. And as always, see you on the next one.